Top Generative AI Learning Path for 2024. Artificial intelligence, the overarching field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Machine learning, a subset of AI that involves training algorithms to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Data science, the interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithms, and systems to extract insights and knowledge from structured and unstructured data. Generative models, AI models that generate new data by learning the underlying patterns and structures of a given dataset. Artificial neural networks, computing systems inspired by the biological neural networks of the human brain, often used in deep learning. Natural language processing, the AI technology that enables machines to understand and generate human language. Computer vision, the field of AI that focuses on enabling machines to interpret and understand visual information. AI technology, stay updated on the latest advancements in AI technology, including new algorithms, tools, and frameworks for generative modeling. AI career development, consider pursuing AI certification or training programs to enhance your skills and qualifications in generative AI. Conclusion. In conclusion, as the demand for AI professionals continues to grow, mastering generative AI can open up exciting career opportunities in a wide range of industries.